Wow, so many awesome APK mods for my favorite games. But how do I install them on my iOS device? How does it work?
No worries, it's actually quite easy.
No, it's not. APK files are Android application packages, and they can be modified to get you unlimited gems and monies, especially in offline games. And these Android packages are made for
You guessed it.
Android. And the sad reality of the matter is that APK files simply do not work on iOS or iPhones. No matter what people on the internet might say. There is no way to convert APK files into IPAs, which are the iPhone application packages. Just like you can't convert your Toyota into a Lamborghini by simply putting a Lamborghini badge on it. And yes, it sucks because most of the mods for mobile games out there are for Android and therefore are APK files. That sucks. Why is that so? Sadly, the reality is that most app developers and mod developers especially choose Android because it's simpler to develop, it's easier to have admin access to your device, and the system isn't as locked down as on iOS. However, there is still hope for iOS users. There are emulators such as this one that can be run on macOS or Windows that are basically virtual machines running Android, allowing you to run Android APKs, including mods. And of course, there are also mods for iOS, although they are far fewer than on Android. So your chances of finding a mod for Android are much greater than finding a specific mod for iOS, which are IPA mods. On Android, they are APK mods. So the first thing I recommend you do if you are an iOS user and you want to check whether there are mods that are actually working from trusted developers for your specific game is you go to Google and you Google HackerBot, go to hackerbot.net, enter the name of your game, and you will see exactly what kinds of mods are possible in your game. Now, to find if there are legitimate developers working on your game on iOS specifically, go to Get Cheats, filter for iOS, mod, and start scanning the internet for developers working on your game. If they exist, you will find them down below and you'll be able to access the mods there. If there are currently no working mods for your iOS game, then you have two options. You can either just check HackerBot every week in order to catch newly released mods in case a developer starts releasing stuff for your game on iOS. Or you can do the same search and search for Android instead and see whether developers are working on your game on Android, which is much more likely because it's easier to do and there are more mod developers for Android games. You can then use an Android emulator on your macOS or Windows device in order to use that mod. Using emulators is more safe anyways, since if they are infected, you can simply uninstall them, reinstall them. You can use a secondary account. It's a very good way to test mods before you actually use them on your important devices. And by the way, there are no emulators for iOS at this point. Also keep in mind that unlimited money for online games is impossible despite what everybody on the internet says. It is of course much easier to say that you have unlimited money and to have people download some fakes instead of actually creating a mod that gives them unlimited money. Wow, that's so complicated.
I'm sorry.
I really wish there was just a way to convert an APK into an IPA file, or some way to install an APK on an iOS device or iPhone, but that's simply impossible. Just like you can't use your iPhone charger on an Android device. You would have to rebuild the whole thing from the ground up in order for it to work. There is no easy way to convert it. The only way this might be possible in the future would be if there was some kind of Android emulator that you could run on your iOS device, but at the moment iOS devices in general are not powerful enough to run any Android emulators, and it's not sure whether they would even be allowed on the App Store. So I'm sorry, dear iOS mod enthusiasts, to be the bringer of bad news, but that's just the reality of things. Generally, there are about, I would say, 4 to 5 times more mods available on Android than on iOS, and even on Android, there aren't mods for every single game out there. It's mostly just the popular ones, and the mods are going to be most powerful for offline games, as unlimited money and stuff is impossible in online games. And just like on Android, most of the iOS mods you'll find out there on the internet just randomly searching will be fake. So I recommend using HackerBot to see whether legitimate trusted mods that actually work exist for your game, either on Android or iOS, and then moving on from there. So I'm sorry, I wish I could tell you unlimited money in every single game on iOS, no bans, no fakes, mod menus for every single game, but that's sadly not the reality. Please like the video if you appreciate me telling you the truth, subscribe to the channel, let me know down below in the comments what games you're looking to mod, and I'll see you again soon with more
Knowledge.
Knowledge.